What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Playmaker Way with a playbook, and y'all read the title, man. Forex trading for beginners. How to get started forex trading. If this is your first time on the channel, welcome. I appreciate you giving this video a chance. Make sure to hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly content like this, but we post trade breakdowns, trading tip videos, trading plan videos, trading psychology videos, and then most importantly, we live stream and live trade every day, London session 3 a.m. EST on this very same channel. Also have a free signal, free Telegram. There's the first link in the description. This is how we did last month, October. We caught a total of 157,608 pips, 125,674 strictly with the members in the advanced play signal room. Ended the month 32.5, giving us an 86% win rate. Now this is how we did last quarter. July we went 34 wins, 3 losses. August we took 45 wins, 7 losses. And in September we took 27 wins, 4 losses, catching 105,389 pips July, 219,708 pips in August, and 16,634 pips in September, giving us a total of 341,731 pips caught, 323,385 strictly with the members in the advanced play signal room. In the quarter, 106 wins, 14 losses, giving us an 88% win rate. Every trade posted has the date, the time the trade was posted, my personal entry, SL, TPs, how many people viewed or entered the trade, reactions, and of course those TPs getting hit. So make sure to go ahead and check that out. Now let's get straight into this video. So you see a lot of stuff online, and most of y'all probably know by now, but a lot of these people aren't really traders, they're marketers. They make it seem like trading's so easy. They reel y'all in with the profits they made, whether or not on a demo or a live account. But there's a lot of questions you have to start asking. What was the lot size? How many wins in a row are they on? How many, did they just end a lose streak? Right? They don't really give you the full information. And a lot of those videos, they give you half truth, half explanations to really into pay. I'm about to show you realistically how you can become profitable very, very, very quickly. But again, it's not a rush. All right. A lot of y'all try to make money, but how are you going to make money if you don't know what you're doing? Right? I like to think of it like this. It's like driving a car. Before you even get behind the wheel, you have to pass the driver's test. Make sure you understand the rules to the road. Then before you even take the driver's test, like in the actual car, what do? They want to know that you even know how to work the car. Do you know how to turn the car on? Do you know how to turn the headlights on? Do you know how to turn the turn signals on? Do you know how to reverse? Do you know where the brake is? Do you know how to park? Then once they see that you know how to do all that stuff, then they take you on the road. Most of y'all right now are just like, hand me the keys. I played Need for Speed before. I watched Fast and Furious. I know how this works. And you just expect to just go on the highway and not crash or get into an accident. That's exactly what y'all are doing on the charts. You're in such a rush to make money that you're actually being counterproductive and doing the opposite of making money. You're losing money. Again, logically thinking, do you think you're going to make money on the charts when you don't know what you're doing? What do you think is going to happen when you put your hard-earned money into the market when you have zero clue or zero idea what you're doing? Exactly what's happening to most of y'all, and exactly what used to happen to me when I first started trading. Again, the reason why I stress this stuff out so much is because I had to learn the hard way. I had to teach myself all this stuff, and you know, a lot of mistakes were made. And I'm trying to help y'all avoid those same mistakes that I made. The first thing you want to do before you start trading is you need to understand how to read the charts. A lot of y'all know patterns. A lot of y'all be trying to find shortcuts, indicators, this, that, and the third. But how to read the charts is a lot simpler than you think and understand. And I have a bunch of videos going over how to read the charts. All right, here's one that's popping up right now. You have to understand where price is going at all times. We understand where price is going at all times. You're never going to be confused on what price is doing, especially when you enter a trade. A lot of y'all, let me ask you something. You might know when to enter a trade, and then what happens? You struggle with understanding how to manage your trade, when to close, when to keep holding, and all that stuff. Why? Because you're skipping this essential step. I'm never confused. I understand at all times what price is doing, why price is doing it, and where price is going. And y'all should be as well. A lot of this trading psychology, a lot of this emotions, a lot of this stuff people struggle with when it comes to trading is because you are skipping these essential steps. Trust me. Don't worry about making the money. The money will come. Just focus on the craft and learning and understanding how to read the charts. Your wallet and you will thank yourself, okay? Then comes the second part, which is having a trading plan. Really quick, what's y'all's trading plan? If y'all took longer than 5 seconds to answer, or y'all started with that's another problem. A lot of y'all are in the markets just winging it. You need to have a game plan. Let me ask you something. If you don't know how to read the charts and then you don't even have a game plan, of course you're struggling in the markets. You need to have a daily goal. You need to have a weekly goal. You need to have a monthly goal. You need to know how many trades you're taking per day. You need to know how much you're risking per trade. You need to know what type of setups you're looking for. You need to know what session you're trading. You need to know what charts you're looking at. I know that sounds like a lot, but again, you don't just wake up out of bed and expect to open up your computer or phone and make money without putting any effort. You have to have a trading plan. Again, when you know how to read the charts and then you have a game plan and you stick to it, all that stress and nonsense people be talking about goes immediately out the window. And if you do not understand what a trading plan is or how to go about when you need a guide, I got you. I got a couple videos. I got one specifically going over trading plans that's popping up right now. And then I also have a video going over how I personally double my accounts every 2 weeks to a month. Make sure to check that video out as well. So once you have a good understanding of how to read the charts, then you have a trading plan. Then comes the simple math, which is number 3. What comes with the simple math? That is risk reward, understanding how to count pips, understanding how to calculate your lot size, this, that, and the third, right? I always tell my members and students you want to go for 1 to 2 to 1 to 3 minimum risk reward setups. The reason why you want to go for 1 to 2 to 1 to 3 minimum is because, again, we're investing here. You got to understand what we're doing here. This is investing, not gambling. We're not rolling dice. We're not playing craps. Everything we do makes logical sense. So if you're going to invest your money, you need to make sure the investment is worth it and you get a good return on investment. Let me ask you this. If I'm risking $100 and the most I can make is 50, does that sound like a good return on investment? I'm potentially going to lose $100, but the most I can make is 50? No. What sounds like a better investment? If I'm risking $100, I could potentially make $200. If I'm risking $100, I can potentially make $300. Or in this case, $500, almost $600. That sounds like a better risk reward in my opinion. So when you combine this with risking the same amount every single trade, and on top of that, you understand how to read the charts, and then you also have a trading plan, majority of those mistakes even exist for you. And again, notice how I talked about nothing about entering trades. I talked about the game plan you need to have before you enter the trade, right? Because again, a lot of y'all try to just throw money in the markets and figure it out as you go. So let me ask you this. Would you rather save your hard-earned money, patiently wait until you have a good understanding of what the hell you're doing, then put that money to good use? Right? Or if you just want to throw money away, just go to Vegas or go to the casino, because that's what y'all are treating the markets like. Trading isn't gambling. You are just gambling. Trading isn't risky. You are just being risky. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description, join the free Signal Room, free Telegram. If you're interested in learning how to identify and mark up these levels on my chart, interested in my Signal Room service or mentorship, hit those links in the description. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. So the advanced play Signal Room, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free Signal Room, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York Price Watch List. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible setups going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York Price Watch List. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now, I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now, all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now, I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the advanced play signal room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long, but you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded and are an hour long, and they're sent to you same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.